Another good thing that you can do before you put on a carburetor, whether it be a big SudCo here or a 28, or these are cans here and here, and this is a Mikuni race, is to take off the float bowl, and they're all very similar to each other. Go in and take the jet, the little brass jet that's in here, take it out and write down the numbers that are on it. Another thing you can do is take off the top of the carburetor right here, go in and take the slide out, and after you get the slide out, which this is a smaller version of the slide right here, you can take the jet needle out, which is that little needle that's sticking out there. They all have numbers on them, and you can find out what the numbers are and write them all down. That way, if your bike doesn't work correctly, then you have a starting point to figure out what to adjust. You may need more fuel, you may need a bigger jet, you may need a smaller jet. It may take you 8 or 10 times to take the carb off to get your bike to run correctly. Because remember, we're putting all experimental parts on these engines that they're not supposed to be, they're not made exactly for the engine. So the next thing to do is to take the CT off, and I'll do that. And then I'll take, well, here's the CT. Here's the same one that's on the bike now, but you can see how small the holes are. These intake ports, that's what they're called. And you can see how much room this has, and it goes into those really small ports. Those really small ports are a bottleneck. A bottleneck means that the fuel is not flowing as well as it should, and it may cause a problem, especially at high speeds.